Well, guys, welcome to my channel. We're in Wainola Lake right now. Check it out. It's really nice. Check it out. Look at that. That's a nice lake, clean. It's in Warsaw. Nice lake. And up there, all the way up there is university dorms and called the Grace College. Well, we're gonna do some van tour here. This is my van here. I don't live here. I just use this van for like go backpacking, uh, go trekking where there's no hotel. It's a Ford E-150. I got it cheap from an auction in Kalamazoo, Michigan. $450, and it runs like a baby. It's really good. It has like a luggage compartment on top. It's a 1993 E-150. It's not bad. I mean, I use it for trekking. You know, I don't live here for like 365 days a year. I just use this for trekking and backpacking. And I got some limited supplies. It's nice. All right, I'll take you inside, okay? I'll take you inside. All right, it's not bad. Okay. All right, let's go in here. Um, Let me see. Let's go first to the cockpit. Let's see. This is the cockpit here. Well, I got McDonald's right here and like Walmart chicken. I got the GPS there. It's connected. I had that for a long time. The fan right there. You could go put it there, or you can hang it right on the hooks, right over there. It has like 235 miles already. I got it in 2018. All right, we have my fire extinguisher. You need that. It's almost empty, but it's okay. We have my heater here, which I use for my electric. Uh, I mean, electric heater. I use this when there's an electric hookup, like on a campground or, right at Walmart. Of course, I have a new fire extinguisher. It's an aerosol can with fires. You need to have a fire extinguisher. And this one, look at that. It is, I could pull this up, the curtain. It's totally black out at night. Look at that. It's really nice. I mean, for just going fishing and backtracking, I mean, I can't complain. I'm not living here for like 65 days a year. So, I'm just making this up as cheap as I could. There's my work, things here, my documents. I work here too. Here. These are the power swords. So if I have an electricity, I could, you know, connect this one here. My coffee maker. I could brew anything. Flashlight, extension cord. Oops. Right here is like a little drawer that I put my towels, cleaning supplies. Of course, this one, Glade, because this, it might stink here. I got sanitizing wipes. Out here is, in here is, like paper plates. I stay away from what do you call this, plates, because I don't want to wash. I'm just gonna be a temporary. I live here temporarily, you know. I got I have plastic spoons and napkins, cups for coffee or water, bowls for, of course, ramen noodles, paper plates, to go box. That's, cut down on washing dishes. I don't even have a sink here. This is when I go outside and cook. Uh, I have a table, my computer, and this one here, this is where all my food go. I didn't have the food because I'm not going back packing it or tricking. Maybe in a couple of months or so, or next 3 weeks. All right, all the hooks right here. This is where I put my personal hygiene things like toothbrushes and Colgate, swabs and all that. I got some bananas, fruit, all that, all my shorts for tricking, towels. I put my, oh, this is another blackout curtain here, the curtain. And then I have some, lights right there. It's really nice. All my backpacks where my clothes, or, and the top there is the poncho for rainy, or if it's raining, it's inside there. This one is for food, you know. If I go to the city and trekking and blogging, this is the bed right here. It's pretty good. It's nice. It could fold into a chair, fold up into a chair, or I could fold it like a bed. It's really nice. And down here, it's like I could put, things here. Like I have my water, all that. And let's go out here. And I can really, actually, I can take this off if I need to go biking, you know, trek using my bike. I could take this off and then put my bike here, or go up on the luggage compartment on top. And water jug, you know, um, it's like I already computed, or I already, you know, analyze everything. What should I bring? For how many days should I need it? Like food. So I'm, just trying to add things up, see what's going on. All right, out here is big cooler. This cooler, I don't have a refrigerator, but I use this cooler for everything, like pop, or it's nice, pop, or water, juice, eggs, everything, like whole eggs, because I cook whole eggs. I put whole eggs, I put it on the Tupperware, put it together, so if the water, the ice melts, it will not float, or it will not, water will not go into the plastic, to the eggs. All right, I got the hunting boots here. When I go hunt up in Michigan, I got my boots, I could put it in there. So that's black out right there. Got another hooks. This one is, what is this? Oh, okay, another bowls. Oh, I got my ramen noodles. Another plastic, styrofoam plates, bowls, or, container. And this one here is, if I cook outside or I cook on the pit, I got my cast iron. What else do I have here? Oh, electric skillet. I'm not gonna get it out. Another power storage. Let me put this one here. All right, this one is if I have electric, electricity, I use this one. This is brand new. I never even used this. I never even used this. All right, let me see. There you go. Not bad, not bad. It's brand new. Never been used. I might use this in 3 weeks. All right. What else do I have here? Oh, I got the. Oh, I got. Now, if I am on the, if I'm boondocking, or going to, I'm going to, what do you call this? The place like off grid that there is no electricity. I use a stove with butane. This stove is nice. It's a Coleman too. All right, let me see this. Oh, it's hard. Okay, let's take this out here. I never see this before. This is brand new too. I never used this. I used the other one that I have. Hold up. All right, we're back on. I forgot to take this paper out. This one, so that's why it didn't come off. All right, look at this. This is Coleman, and it's really nice. Ooh, brand new too. Look at that. Brand new. I'm not sponsored by Coleman, but yes, you put your butane right there. Turn it on. I mean, pull this down, push this down, and then turn this on. It's really good. So that's it, man. I think, yeah, if I go boondocking or off-grid, I use this. If I have electricity in the campground, I use that. For my coffee, I do my work on my computer. Uh, my electric heater, it's really nice. And I got some, see, I cannot be seen inside. Outside, like I could see somebody outside, but when you go if you're outside, you can't see inside. Look at that. Camera, I mean, not camera, I mean, lights. It's not bad at all. Oops. This is reality, And this van, it's also for sale if you want to buy it. It's good. All right, let me go lock this up, and that's about it, bud. That's about it. Thank you for watching on my channel. I give you a van tour of what I do and what's the purpose of my van. It's not like I'm living here for like 365 days a year, but I always use it at least 2 to 3 days going trekking, or 1 week, 1 week or 2 weeks, and water, everything, it's all right here. Food, not bad. All right, guys, thanks. See the Winona Lake? These are multi-million-dollar houses. Did you see that?